I used AI to identify a tiny, neglected market segment for a client last month, generated their entire ad strategy and creative, and they saw a 4x ROI in the first 30 days. We charged $7,500 for that service. This isn't some black magic. This isn't about throwing money at Facebook ads and hoping something sticks. This is about precision, about finding the exact people no one else is talking to and crafting a message so perfect it feels like you're reading their minds. And you can do this too, right now. Why now? Because the ad landscape is a war zone. Everyone's screaming for attention. Every platform is raising its prices, and most businesses are still using the same tired, broad targeting strategies from 5 years ago. They're dumping cash into campaigns that hit everyone and therefore hit no one. They're missing out on entire pockets of highly motivated buyers because those segments aren't obvious. This is where AI flips the script. It gives you X-ray vision into markets, letting you spot the cracks, the overlooked corners, the groups whose specific pain points are being completely ignored. And when you find them, AI helps you speak their language, create visuals that resonate with their souls, and essentially print money for your clients. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a necessary evolution for anyone serious about marketing or building an AI side hustle. What most people do wrong is simple, predictable, and frankly, lazy. They rely on basic demographic targeting. Women 35 to 54 interested in fitness. That's not a segment, that's half the internet. They then slap generic messaging on top, something like, "Our protein powder helps you stay fit." Sure it does, but so do 1,000 others. They're convinced that micro niches are too small to be profitable, which is total nonsense. A highly engaged niche of 10,000 people can be far more valuable than a vaguely interested audience of 1 million. They waste weeks on manual market research, trying to piece together fragmented data from surveys and focus groups when AI can chew through petabytes of information and spit out actionable insights in hours. And worst of all, they're creative. It's often a guess, a hunch. Maybe this image of a smiling person will work. No, that's not how you generate results, and it's certainly not how you command premium fees. They're playing darts in the dark while AI gives you a laser sight. Let me break down the actual method, step by step. This isn't theoretical. This is the exact workflow we've used to generate serious income. Step 1. Identify your client and their niche, the starting point. Forget trying to sell this to every Tom, Dick, and Harry. You need a client with a decent product or service, but crucially, one who's struggling with ad performance or feels like they've plateaued. They know their product is good, but their marketing isn't hitting. This is your entry point. Your job isn't to fix a bad product. It's to find the right audience for a good one. Let's say you're working with a company selling high-end ergonomic office chairs. Their current ads target remote workers or people interested in home office setups. Too broad. Step 2. AI for niche discovery, the X-ray vision. This is where the magic starts. You'll use advanced AI models like ChatGPT-4 with advanced data analysis enabled, or Claude 3 Opus. You're not just asking it to brainstorm. You're feeding it data and telling it to find patterns. Data input. If the client has existing customer data, anonymized of course, feeding in. Sales data, website analytics, even customer support tickets can be gold. If not, start with public data. Industry reports, forum discussions, Reddit threads, Amazon reviews, competitive analysis data, anything that hints at user behavior or sentiment. The prompt. This is critical. You're asking the AI to analyze this data for underserved needs, unique pain points, or emerging trends within the broader target market. You want it to find the subsegments. Example prompt for ergonomic chairs. Analyze common complaints, desires, and usage patterns for individuals purchasing high-end ergonomic office chairs. Specifically identify subsegments that may have unique needs currently unaddressed by broad marketing. Consider factors beyond basic ergonomics, such as specific medical conditions, niche professions, or unique lifestyle requirements. Output specific, actionable micro-niche ideas with supporting data points. The output. The AI might spit out something like, Micro-niche 1, professional esports gamers experiencing specific lower back issues from prolonged high-intensity gaming sessions. Their current chairs lack targeted lumbar support for competitive postures. Or Micro-niche 2, graphic designers working with multiple large monitors, needing dynamic armrest adjustments and specific neck support due to constant head rotation.
These are gold. These are segments with specific, articulated problems that your client's product can solve, but isn't marketing to directly. Step 3. AI for hyper-detailed persona development, knowing your audience intimately. Once you've got a promising micro-niche, you need to know them inside and out. Use the same AI models. The prompt. Based on the identified micro-niche, e.g. professional esports gamers with specific lower back issues, create a detailed persona. Include demographics, psychographics, motivations, fears, aspirations, values, daily routine relevant to their pain points, preferred online communities, media consumption habits, and specific language they use to describe their problems and desires related to ergonomic chairs. The output. This isn't a generic avatar, it's a living, breathing blueprint. You'll get details like name, Kai, 24, professional Valorant player, streams 8 hours a day. Fears, career-ending injury, loss of competitive edge due to discomfort. Aspirations, win championship, maintain peak physical condition for gaming. Language, uses terms like flexibility in a clutch moment, anti-fatigue tech, posture for precision aiming. This level of detail is impossible to get quickly and accurately without AI. Step 4. AI for hyper-precision value proposition and messaging, speaking their language directly. Now that you know exactly who you're talking to and what their problems are, AI helps you craft the message. The prompt. Given this persona, insert Kai's persona, and the product, high-end ergonomic office chair, list specific features like adjustable lumbar, dynamic armrests, generate unique value propositions, and compelling ad copy. Focus on headlines, body text, and calls to action that directly address Kai's fears, aspirations, and specific pain points using their preferred language. Emphasize how the chair solves their posture for precision aiming problem or prevents career-ending injury, rather than generic comfort. The output. Instead of sit comfortably, you get dominate the game, not your back. Our Pro Ergo X chair delivers dynamic spinal support engineered for competitive esports. Maintain razor-sharp focus through 12-hour streams and protect your career. Click to conquer discomfort. See the difference? It's specific, it's urgent, and it speaks directly to Kai's world. Step 5. AI for hyper-targeted creative concept generation. Visuals that convert. This is where you bring the message to life visually. AI image generators are no longer a novelty. They're essential. Tools. Midjourney, DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion. The prompt. Based on Kai's persona and the ad copy targeting professional esports gamers, generate visual concepts for a Facebook ad. Focus on images that evoke professional performance, relief from specific gaming-related pain, or the competitive edge gained. Avoid generic office settings. Show someone focused, possibly in a gaming setup, highlighting the chair's specific features in a subtle, aspirational way. Consider showing a pro gamer's hand on a mouse with a subliminal message of ergonomic support extending through their arm. The output. You'll get images that resonate deeply, not just a generic chair, but an image that feels like it belongs in Kai's world, solving his specific problems. Maybe a close-up of a gamer's intense focus, with the chair's lumbar support subtly visible, or a split screen showing a gamer struggling versus one thriving in the ergonomic chair. These visuals will stop the scroll for your micro-niche. Step 6. Campaign structure and testing, the execution. While AI can suggest targeting parameters, this step still requires human expertise to implement on platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, or TikTok. But your targeting will be unbelievably precise because you know your audience. You're not guessing at interests. You're targeting specific communities, keywords, and behaviors that AI surfaced. You'll set up A/B tests with your AI-generated headlines, body copy, and creatives, and monitor performance relentlessly. The proof is in the pudding. That $7,500 client I mentioned, they were a niche B2B software company. Their existing campaigns targeted small businesses with generic value props. We used this exact workflow to identify local accounting firms with 5 to 10 employees struggling with manual data entry for client onboarding. We then crafted an entire campaign, copy, visuals, landing page messaging, specifically for that segment. The result? Their click-through rate jumped from 1.5% to 5.8%. Their cost per lead dropped by 62%. And crucially, their conversion rate from lead to paying client for that segment shot up by 25%. That's how you get 4x ROI and earn $7,500 for a single campaign. This isn't about vanity metrics. It's about real, tangible business growth. This method isn't just for big agencies. This is how you, as a solo entrepreneur or small team, can outcompete much larger players. You're not trying to boil the ocean. You're finding the precise, thirsty fish. To start today, you don't need a massive investment or a team of data scientists. 1. Pick a niche. Start with an industry you know or are genuinely interested in. Maybe it's fitness, local services, SaaS, or even niche hobbies. 2. Get access to the tools. A ChatGPT 4 Plus subscription, which gives you advanced data analysis, or Claude 3 Opus is non-negotiable. For image generation, Midjourney or DALL-E 3 are excellent choices. 3. Practice on yourself or a hypothetical client. Take a product you use or a local business you frequent. Go through the steps. Identify a micro-niche. Develop a persona. Write ad copy. Generate visuals. See how specific and compelling you can make it. This is your training ground. 4. Find your first client. Don't chase whales initially. Offer a pilot project to a smaller business or a specific campaign for a specific micro-niche. Focus on delivering undeniable results. Use that initial success story as your proof and testimonial to land bigger clients and command higher fees. This isn't about automating away human creativity. It's about augmenting it. It's about letting AI do the heavy lifting of data analysis and initial creative iterations so you can focus on strategy, refinement, and delivering unprecedented value. If you want to master this workflow and get a deeper dive into the exact prompts and data sources we use, I've put together a detailed guide. You can find the link directly in the description below. Go get it.